Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Update po tayo sa PBB. Ano ba yung mga bagong release na SARO para sa PBB 2023? Tingnan po natin. Ito po, una sa listahan na para sa SARO ay itong Zamboanga City National High School West. Meron na po kayong FY 2023 Performance-Based Bonus para sa 268 na eligible school-based personnel ng inyong school. Ito pa para sa Zamboanga City National High School Main, Vitali National High School, Talon-Talon National High School, Southcombe National High School, Regional Science High School, Zamboanga Regional Science High School, Mercedes National High School, Maria Clara L. Lobregat National High School, Manikahan National High School, meron na kayong PBB. Kasama ang San Pablo Lorenzo Memorial High School, Coroan National High School, Culianan National High School, Zamboanga Division of Calapan City, Ayala National High School, Arena Blanco National High School, Division of Zamboanga City, Regional Office 9 ng DepEd. Ito pa, Division of Zamboanga City, Zamboanga Sibugay National High School, Titay National High School. Meron na po kayong PBB. Tingnan pa natin, ito pa sa Talusan National High School, Sorabay National High School, CI National High School, Santa Clara National High School, Ulutanga National High School, Naga National High School, Malangas National High School, meron na kayong PBB. Ito pa, Kabasalan National High School, Ipil National High School, Emelda National High School, Diplahan National High School. So kung nagbabasa po kayo dyan, ay makikita nyo kung ilang tao ang merong ng PBB, ano? Kasama ang Alicia National High School, Division of Occidental Mindoro, Division of Zamboanga Sibugay. Naku, ang laki nito, no? Pang 5,991 na eligible school-based personnel sa Zamboanga Sibugay Division. Ito pa, Division of Isabela City para sa 1,114 na personnel. Ito pa po, Ilaya National High School, Dapitan City High School. Tingnan pa natin, ito pa, Division of Dapitan City, Zamboanga del Sur School of Arts and Trades, Zamboanga del Sur National High School, Tawagan Sur National High School, Pagadian City National High School, Pagadian City National Comprehensive High School, Napulan National High School, Lala National High School, Division of Pagadian City para sa 1,442 na mga teachers at iba pang personnel. Ito pa, Serios Menya National High School, Pulangco National High School, Pinyan National High School, Manukan National High School, Kipet Agro Fishery High School, Katipunan National High School, Duhinob National High School, Ubay National High School, Tampilisan National High School. Nako, congrats po sa inyo. Ito pa, Siocon National High School, Sindangan National High School, Tocoran Technical Vocational High School, meron na kayong PBB. Sindangan National Agricultural School, Tambulig or Ichanka National High School, Pinagaan National High School, Sibutad National High School. Kasama ang Molave Vocational Technical School, Salog National High School, Mahayag National High School, Liloy National High School, Lapuyan National High School, President Manuel E. Rojas National High School. Ito pa, Julian Soriano Memorial Comprehensive High School, Gutalak National High School, Kabatan National High School, Dinas National High School, Dimataling National High School. Meron na kayong PBB 2023. Ito pa po, Commonwealth National High School, Bayog National High School, Technical Vocational High School, Balungating National High School, Division of Zamboanga del Sur, para sa 9,238 na teachers and personnel. Meron din ang Bakungan National High School, Division of Zamboanga del Norte, para sa 8,823 na personnel. Zamboanga del Norte National High School, Sikayab National High School, Punta National High School, Galas National High School, Dipolog City National High School, Alberto Q. Ubay Memorial Agro-Tech Science High School. Kasama ang Division of Dipolog City, Division of Pagadian City, Division of Dipolog, nagdalawa yung Dipolog at saka ito pa, Division of Zamboanga Sibugay, Division of Isabela City, Division of Dapitan City, Division of Zamboanga del Norte, at Division of Zamboanga del Sur. Meron na kayong performance best bonus. Ito pa, Division of Oriental Mindoro, Division Office 4B, Okay guys, parang yun lang yung huli natin para sa December 2 na release, Congrats po sa mga meron ng PBB. Hanggang dito lang po muna. Bye-bye.